Hi there. Today we are going to be learning about metacognition. My name is Barrett Lawrence, and alongside me is Joyce Kepley and Erica LeBron. Our main objective throughout this video is to explain the term metacognition, which is the definition and meaning of the 5 key concepts, and determine the connection between the key concepts and metacognition. Metacognition. This is a person's knowledge concerning the cognitive process. In other words, thinking about thinking. Our knowledge and experiences in various learning situations. General knowledge about how human beings learn and process information, as well as individual knowledge of one's own learning processes. Metacognition's 5 key concepts are as followed: pedagogy, andragogy, schema, assimilation, and accommodation. First is pedagogy. This method was used and created by Piaget, who is known as the father of pedagogy. This is the science and art of teaching children. This process is used to teach children as they think, learn, and interact differently than adults do within their society. Next is andragogy. This method is used by Knowles, and this is a science of teaching adults effectively. This accounts for the diversity of all adult backgrounds, and it is a different type of instructional method for adults. Task orientation and experiential learning is essential to this model. The connection to adult learning principles is core learning, goals and principles, and also differences. Schema is an existing quote-unquote folder of recognizable objects. Placing an object into an existing schema, and also objects neatly fitting into an existing schema to retain information. Assimilation. This is an organization system used in identifying observed environmental objects. This also becomes more complex with natural developmental stages of our lifetime. Classification of our most important objects helps grow and enrich the experiences of life. Accommodation. This is all based on new experiences, and this helps build upon the schemata with the accumulation of newly identified objects. This requires a creation of new schema to allow the new information and experiences in our conceptual quote-unquote folder. The main connections to take away from this video is pedagogy is a child teaching approach, andragogy is an adult teaching approach. Schema is the organization and classification of our most encountered objects. Assimilation is placing recognized objects into a stored quote-unquote folders in our brain. And accommodation creates new folders in our brain to allow further knowledge. In review, the term metacognition is easily linked to all 5 key components through our thought processes: pedagogy, andragogy, schemata, assimilation, and accommodation. These are all concepts which are related to how we, as children and adults, learn and think. They are fundamental processes in understanding our environment and identifying pertinent objects. Below you will see a list of references of where we have obtained our information for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed. Thanks.